In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources in this device. So at first you need to reach Settings, then find and select Apps and Notifications, and here scroll to the very bottom of the list. Now you need to enroll Advanced, and go a bit lower again, and here you've got Special App Access. Just click on it to open, and now select Install Unknown Apps. And for example, if you'd like to allow installation via Google Chrome, just mark it and then allow from the source. And this is how you can smoothly give permission to some particular app. Just pick it and then use the switcher to activate it. Just confirm in your selection and smoothly install apps via this source. And this is it. This is how you can activate and use unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.